guys, so today it's me again, my friend Gavin. And we are gonna like do something. Yeah, I think we should mine. Bro, I'll go that way. You'll go. Bro, you're gonna go that way? What?
Yeah, come here, bro.
And I'll go that way. Call if you need for reinforcement.
I suck on the deal. Let's find places that let's close them off.
Wait, did you? Guys, wait, Gavin. That's what I have, bro. You see this? Rotten flesh, right? I'm gonna go to that Clerican church. You know what we could do with the Clerican church?
I suck. There's no time.
Go to the Clerican church. Hello, Mr. Cleric.
I suck. Wait. I'm gonna do something.
Bro. Bro. Don't kill the cleric. Don't kill the cleric.
Drink water. Oh, ayun na, water mo to.
Bro, don't kill anyone, bro. We're trying to trade. We even have emeralds. Bro, stop.
Where?
Maybe at the clerican office. The cobblestone. Hello, Mr. Cleric. I have rotten flesh for you. Cleric. Oh, there we go. I can have emeralds. Hello. Oh, bro. Hello. Gavin, we need 32. We need 32 rotten flesh to have emeralds. Do not kill any clerics. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yo, there we go. Okay, that's another one.
Mr. Cleric needs a lot of
Bro. Why did you block that?
Go like this, I'll fix it.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I have an idea.
Okay. We'll fix these holes. I need dirt. You have dirt? There you go.
Bro, hurry up. Hurry up. Come here. Come here. We're gonna attack that place.
Please.
Come here, come here.
Which place? Where?
In here. We're gonna have more rotten flesh.
Oh. I like. Bro, it's like King Diversity Life. Rise up, come!
What?
It's too big!
Whoa!
Iron!
Wait. Give me iron, bro. Give me iron, you filthy capitalist. Bro, do you know? Gavin, let's go back. No. Hurry up, get back. Get back. Bro.
No. It's not coming. It's my item, bro.
Gavin, your looks are great. Mind if I take these?
Where?
Bro, but anyways, that's not what we're here for. Bro, that's just like that's a skeleton, bro. We don't need to kill a skeleton. We need to kill a zombie. That's what we need to kill, bro, so we can have emeralds and trade with someone, bro.
We're gonna need to kill those.
Bro, never mind. Never mind, let's get light. Bro, there's witch! Witch! Bro, don't attack! Don't attack, bro! Do not attack!
What even is up there, bro?
It's a witch!
Bro, give me my light! Give me my light! Give me my light!
Wait, no! Bro, no! Bro, I'll kill the witch! Bro, don't! Bro! No!
No, we're not doing!
I told you, bro! I told you to not, bro! I told you! Oh my god! Oh!
No, it's not!
Do not eat the rotten flesh.
Bro, you want some bread? Bro, you want some bread? Dude, are you okay? Dude, do you want some bread? Dude, do you want some bread?
Huh? Yes, I do.
Okay.
Thank
There we
you.
go, I give you half. Dude, we need lights.
And we need to cook iron.
Yeah, we need to cook the iron. Wait, where's the crafting table? Okay. Wait, I suck. I'll cook my... They want my... Let's make a double deck. I suck, I'm gonna put double deck.
Yeah, bro.
A double deck. What did I
Don't hurry up. Hurry up, bro. Let's go.
Let's go. I'll get light.
Nice, bro. Bro, speaking of that, bro, put it here. You got it, bro? You have 3 iron ingots.
I saw, can you give me a fishing rod? Yep.
We can make cooked flesh.
Matangkad na bata.
Bro, I'm fortifying this area so we're safe from the horrors of the night. I saw, there we go, look, I'm fortified this area so we're safe from the horror of the night. Rose, add the light. No, don't block it off, don't block it off. This would be next
Bro, hurry up. Sleep. Bro.
Get out! Get out! Get out! Dude, I can't sleep. Okay. I suck, it's daytime. Let's go back to the blacksmith. Let's go back to the blacksmith.
There we go. Get out.
Isaac, I'm reinforcing the blacksmith's house.
Okay, good.
Dude, I saw the rotten flesh.
What?
We need rotten flesh, right? I saw them fortifying the blacksmith's house.
You're in the blacksmith, right? That will be our house now. And this blacksmith will be our slave. I mean worker. Yep, worker. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
What do we name this guy?
Blacksmith.
Bro.
Bro, I made the space.
Bro.
Yeah.
Alam mo naman na yun, ha?
Bro.
Bro, fortifying out mine.
Industrializing is
Bro, I'm
really
gonna
good,
show you
bro.
something. Go back to the mine shaft.
Why?
Teaching them some other mines more look better and have more stuff. Is there any chest near here? Bro,
What?
Bro, whoa! It's awesome! Bro, I saw the last thing they made
What?
on the mine.
What do you mean?
I renovated the entire thing.
Bro, you industrialize. We're like Vladimir Lenin, bro. You know, like the 5-year plan? You're like the Soviet Union now, bro. We industrialize. Let's industrialize more of this village, bro.
Yeah, bro. Make this village actually.
What should we turn this houses? This destroyed houses.
Maybe we can turn them into. I don't know. I don't know what we should make them. Maybe like lights. We should make them like lights and then to make the village more light. Or we can make them like this so it's safer. And it's
So give me the door.
And what?
Give me the door. You just picked up a door. There we go.
I'm gonna get some. I'm gonna make a. Trouble. Dude, I make a storage room because I'm gonna be digging something.
Bro, I say we make a storage room.
Yeah, we need a storage room. Wait, dude, we can make a chest room. Let's make a chest room. We need to make a chest room. I think we're gonna it's easy to make a chest room. Chest room.
Bro, I'm gonna build.
Bro, this looks cool.
Bro.
I'm gonna make a pickaxe. I know how to make
Bro. This is a storage room, okay?
Meron?
There we go, Isaac. I can make a few chests. Isaac, I have 6 chests.
Bro.
Isa lang ang inumin natin, Ana. Tapos, mamaya na ulit. Ay, nilagay mo sa bag mo.
Bro. What's this?
Paano ba kung daon pala to?
Storage room.
So,
Ito, nag-guess lang doon sa PBB.
okay, I'll go here and
Anong place niya ba? Universe, ano ba siya? Siya ba na siya? Natalo siya.
Bro, Isaac, I'm still outside. Bro, you can still go outside.
okay.
Inside the
Oh, shoot, mama.
Pangkad din yun.
Bro, we're getting attacked. We're getting attacked. Oh my
Bro,
god!
take my item.
Isaac, I got your items. Oh my god, we're a zombie.
Bro, I said do not take my items. What's wrong with you?
Bro, I accidentally stepped on your items. I'll give it. Here you go. I'm giving it. There it is. Isaac. here, bro. Bro, I'm scared to get out.
Ay, mga lumalaban sa atin.
Bro, your items are here. Collect them. Bro, your items are where I am. Collect them, bro.
Bro, don't
The rest of your
take
items.
them.
The rest of your items are here. Baby, come give it to me.
Yun na nga
Bro,
tayo.
I'm half.
Diba?
Like,
Nakapinta.
I'm really, I'm half. Here, dude, here. I need to heal. Here, bro.
Bro, hurry. Bro, why did you dig it?
Why did you? Bro,
Ako na
this is
padala yung dancer eh.
Bro, let's go night time outside.
Bro, you
Ay, yung kay Naxi April. April, kan sa 11.
Nice. Bow and arrow, like a single bow and arrow. Bro, where's our beds?
Ay, sorry pala. Pag napak yung dalawang dancer.
okay, give me the rock. Hurry up, get in.
Wait. Only good.
Hurry up.
I put the rock in this thing.
Okay, let's sleep. Let's sleep.
I saw it here. I saw the beds are here.
Why is there one bed only, bro? Where am I supposed to sleep?
That's your bed, bro. Wait, I'm gonna make a ladder. I'm gonna do something. Here. Here. Up here. Sleep there, bro. I'm making a double bed. Bro, I'm making a double bed. You can go there. Go now, bro.
Okay, it's daytime.
Daytime.
Sobrang swerte natin. Katabi natin ang mga nagaganda ang mga race dito. Magaganda talaga.
Bro, I just made a double bed. Double decker.
Nagbatang sa ilong to si ano, no? May iba ilong eh. Ito, Tony.
Bro, I suck at making
Diba dati ito sa laki? Parang gumano. Ayun, napitipit.
Mario.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
Oo. Parang nagbatang sa ilong. Sabi na,
Yeah, I'm also
oo. Parang medyo doon.
Okay, let's.
Yun naman to, bago naman.
Let's preserve some. Let's preserve some items.
Ano?
Here, bro.
Bro, the double decker.
Here.
Sino ba yan? T-pop, mga T-pop. Eto. Ay, Lo! Ala, nag-iba na itsura ni Lo.
Here.
Hey, ganito, tama yung bata.
Here.
Hindi na siya foreigner. Mukha siyang foreigner.
Yes, bro.
Here.
Bro, this is the best episode yet, probably. It's the best episode yet.
Bro, building in like vanilla, I'm building in survival mode is good. Give me the coal. Give me the coal, bro.
What?
Bro, give me the coal. I'm gonna put it in the storage.
Okay, here, I got gunpowder.
Bro, that's gunpowder. Bro!
Bakla.
You have to do, bro.
Dapat baka maging. Parang may tinatago siya.
We could make guns.
Ha?
You could make guns.
But we need like a table, a bottle of...
Dati kasi para siyang
Bro, we need what?
ganun siya mga Amerikano na
Grind for more, bro. Grind. Grind.
kaya nila AC. Naiba yung mukha, nag-iba rin yung ilong. Yara.
Bro,
Yes,
we can
Gitara talaga. Papa, hindi ba naubusan ng punchline? Hindi na nga kami tumatawa. Boyfriend ni gano'n. Silent Padilla daw.
Dude, I'm getting more wood.
Okay, guys.
Bro, I'll make a chest that's filled with wood. Should we do that?
Huh?
I'm gonna make a chest that's wood. I'll make a chest that's wood. Okay. So then we can get all on. Hey, dude, I got it wood.
Hey, bro.
A ton of wood. We're cooking this episode, bro. But I'm kind of low now. So I still want my phone.
Bro, don't use the obsidian, bro. Don't use the obsidian.
Why just put it there?
Bro, we're gonna make a nether portal with that. Bro, I got you some shields.
Thanks, bro.
I don't know which kind of...
There's a spider, I'm gonna kill it. Let's see how we do. Spider-Man! 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 Spider-Man!
Bro, give me the string, bro. I'm gonna...
Bro,
put it to the preservatives section.
bro, it's not
I want you to tell this something. Bro, follow me, bro. Follow me. This chest is the preservatives and parts of the ruins. And this one is foods. And this one is blocks and usable items.
No, what's this? this. I'll fix all the holes from the creeper.
I'm gonna put this one to the blocks and usable items because this is very usable and this is not food.
Hey, I'm gonna mix a farm. I'm gonna make a farm. Do we have any seeds? Bro, do we have any seeds? Wait, no, I know. Bro, you haven't.
Ah, si
Bro, it's Isaac. It's
Ate Gloridel ba? Kapatid ni Ate Lani. Yung asawa ni Ate Lani. Una. Kita po nila. Buti nakakaano pa rin yan. No? Doon lang po sa area nila. So yung kausap ko ay katabi ko na pala. Tapos yung nagpe-pray doon ang tabi ko.
Bro.
Ayan! Nag-door to door ulit sa Sabado, evangelism. Para mag-ano ako. Tsaka pagka mahatiin ko na lang para maka-ano rin sa ibang area.
Ulan na! Sabi ko, ulan na ng konti.
Yung dating pinuntahan nyo, hindi yung napupuntahan nyo. Dapat ibang area naman.
Bro.
Tapos magpaano na ako kay Sedi, sabi ko tatakan yung hindi natira sa box. Kasi siya, nangingi ako sa kanya kaya sabi ko pala sabi ko Sedi, ikaw evangelist yung youth evangelist. Sabi ko muna yung
Bro, we need water for that.
okay. Can run that one.
Nung nakaraan ko pa siya kausap, nakalipas sa isang linggo, wala pa rin pala siyang tinatakan. Sabi ko ngayon, week tatakan yun. Kaya ako nalaman dahil yung ano lang. Pabinigin nga tayo. Teacher ko, nagpapinipas ko, Gabriel, kailangan. Sige, ako bahala. Message ko na. Nag-isip ka message. Kahapon, nagbuklat ko. Nangyari sa ate Lia. Wala pa rin pa, bro. Kaya dito tatakan na. Ito yung asawa mo, ma? Anak ano ba ito? Asawa ba? Anak na siguro. Baka kasi matanda eh.
Get out. Nobody cares about you. Nobody loves you. Bro, give me my rotten flesh, bro. Give me the rotten flesh. Give me the rotten flesh.
Binenta din nila. Kasi
Bro, I didn't eat half.
tapos yung hintayin
I did my best. I always do my best for the first day sa village. Diba? Ito yung Luna. Ako na nakasada yung first day. On stage of course, my full speak of the very
Firefly.
Because when you work with the marketplace,
You guys suck.
I would not be quite my mom and my market. They are the biggest inspirations in my life. Kaya, ayun, this is for them.
Bro, I'm gonna get my sword. I'm gonna get my sword, bro. Get out.
So nice. It was also so nice to see my home network there as well. So it's just a nice symbol of unity and also the Star Music family. Kaya it just felt like one to say happy.
Kapamilya.
Yeah, exactly. Kaya
Bro.
thank you for the invite, BFBTN and Mark. Bahay ni ano, AC ni Bahay ni ano.
Especially during Ate Clam's trending confession. And as a queer person yourself, so how important is that to you?
You know, when Kuya called me to come into the house, hindi ko alam kung ano yung papagawa sa akin ni Kuya because I have a background in a lot of things. But when he told me that, you know, it's really para magpakatotoo yung mga housemates, I felt so much for that. Kasi everything that I've done in my life, it was all about
Bro.
so, it was just so nice to hear the door.
Listen, bro, I'm gonna kill you.
This is the moment where magpapakatotoo ako. It's like, it's so beautiful in my life that through the hard work, through the bashing, all of that, maraming naman inspire one person I can speak Salvia.
It's cute.
Pwede mo pa makikita, pero maraming salamat sa inyo. And to everyone else that poured their hearts and inside Kuya's house, I hear you, I appreciate you. And
The zombie took my sword, bro. The zombie took my sword. Bad news.
Where is he? You okay?
I'm okay. I don't even care right now, Gavin. I think we need to. Are we strong enough to attack the Nether?
The net. No, we're not strong enough. We need full iron armor. Full iron armor.
Baka hindi lumpia ako ang problema. Hindi siya mag-business kami.
Lagi dapat.
Kasi lahat ng
have fun. This is once in a lifetime.
Lagi, pag nandito sa benta, dito, kaya nakakalipat ng hiniwakan.
Okay, bro. Bro, I'm gonna continue mining.
I got a rock hard.
Get in here, bro. Come here. Guys,
Okay, I'm coming.
I'm gonna go mining, bro. This is episode 2. And this is the first time I bro.
This way.
It's mine, bro. It's mine.
Oh no, not I'm so scared of those cave sounds.
Stop being a baby, bro. We're fine here. Bro, remember we're fine, bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Just hold your. Remember to hold your thing like that. Bro.
Yo, you're in.
What?
Yo, it's deep. It's deep. I suck. It's deep. It's deep, bro. Yeah, it's pretty deep. It's a part. No, I think you just don't mind.
Bro, I think we managed to conquer that, but this part.
Yeah, I'm just gonna mine out here. I just want to mine here. And then we can... Bro, I don't have any
Gavin,
chest. Where's my chest?
There's something here. Gotta come here, bro.
I have no more inventory left. I have no more space in my inventory. I have no more inventory.
That was almost closed.
Ngayong araw, sama-sama natin bigyan ko ang musical ng ating lahat. Take the center stage. At sige, dito lang sa Asa.
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng institusyon ng OPM na ating marinig ang
It. I think
Bro, I swear, if we find diamonds, bro.
we're too high to find diamonds. The diamonds are deeper in there, bro. It's there, bro.
Looks like no mobs here anymore.
No, I can't go so far.
Sa loob ng 50 taon, naging soundtrack ng buhay ng mga Pilipino ang OPM, naging daan upang maipagmalaki ang pagkabalithain ng ating lahi, naging susi upang kilala ang Pilipinong musiko sa pandaigdigan. Mananatili itong buhay sa kamay ng mga susunod na henerasyon.
There we go, we have torch.
This is for you. This is for us.
Bro, don't get trapped, okay?
Kami sa OPM, kasama ko si Sir Gary Valenciano, si Giovanni Chan, Nico Gonzago, Aldo Bamon, Christian Bautista, silently working behind the scenes.
Do you have like the thing, bro?
Call, dude. Call the pilot. That's all of it. We got some. Oh, you got the coal. You got the coal. I don't have any space.
Maraming salamat
sa lahat po na nagpapalaganap
Bro.
sa partisipasyon ng lahat ng mga fans na nakikinig sa mga bagong OPM. Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang OPM.
Mabuhay ka, Sir Ogie.
Mabuhay ang OPM. Ang presidente, Ogie Alcacid.
Yes, totoo yan. Ito pa, bahagi pa ng 50 years of OPM celebration. Here's the future of Philippines.
With ASAP's world-class artists, here are the 2020 OPM hits on
Bro. Dig up straight, okay? If you see something important down, then dig up there. Gavin, this is not normal. Bro, look, there's a thing here. That means there's a bigger cave in here.
True, bro.
Diorite, bro. You have diorites. Bro, can you make houses out of diorite? That's my question.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, there we go. Bro, nice. Bro, you got that other. You get that other one. Nice.
Bro, I got some.
Should we dig up straight?
Yeah, that's some iron. I think we should.
Gavin, there's a stone here.
Bro, here.
Oh my gosh, bro, you take that one. Bro, more things break, bro.
Wait, I have here.
What?
But we don't have a.
Natatay na.
Guys, up here. Here's stone pickaxe. Wait, bro, wait. Bro, you literally gotta work together hard to actually do this, bro. Here, bro, have this. Wait.
Good. Nice, bro, nice.
Also, I even have another stone pickaxe in my where.
Let's go.
Oh my god, bro, we're so lucky. I saw there's another iron deposit.
Bro, I think we should mine here.
How lucky are we, bro?
Para daw siyang hihimatayin.
Oh, that's easy, bro.
Yung
Bro, the more iron here.
Done some pop.
tapos nung nag-practice sila ng moving up nila pinauwi.
Bro, there's iron there. That's yours. That's your iron.
Kaya pinauwi. 15 years old.
You know what, bro? I'm gonna cheat.
Bro, this is crazy. We have so much stuff. Bro, this is actually really good.
Moving up na bumili.
Guys, I'm gonna surprise Gavin.
What?
Ayun nga, sabi ko sana.
Okay, maybe not. Let's not surprise Gavin.
Oh, to you.
Iron.
Stuff up there.
Oh, hurry up, hurry up. Good, good.
Here we go, bro. There.
Bro, there's light there, bro. There's literally like light here, bro. Bro, I already have like a thing so where we can save our lights, bro.
Input fuel. Bro, we're getting iron ingots now. Bro, we're gonna get iron, bro. This is crazy, bro. Wood back. Hey, wood back. Wood back. Iron.
Or give me the iron.
There. Oh, you got 12? Bro, put the wood in there. Put the wood in there. Put the wood.
Wait, this part
Okay,
is mine.
here. That's yours. Bro, Isaac, I need like 5 iron ingots. I need like only 5 iron ingots. Okay, okay, I just need 2 more, then the rest is yours. Oh, I only got 3. What? Where's my other iron ingots, boy?
Bro.
What?
Bro, how many iron do you have?
Bro, something's stealing my iron ingots. Bro.
How many irons do you have?
4. I just need 1 more. Don't yet.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going. I don't need it anymore. It's yours. It's yours. Hello. The rest.
Okay.
Oh, this thing.
Guys, 1, 3 more, guys. 3 more.
Bro, this is actually going so well. Why is this going so well, bro?
Bro, smell iron. Bro, playing survival Minecraft is pretty good actually.
Yeah, it's not that hard. It's not that hard than I thought. It's actually not that bad. Well, except for if you know.
Good, good. Wait, do you have the rotten flesh I have a while ago? Do you know the rotten flesh I have a while ago?
Yes?
Give it to me.
Why? Okay, come here.
Give me all the
Come here,
rotten
mister.
flesh.
Here's the rotten flesh.
All my rotten flesh. I mean all.
What?
All the rotten flesh.
All I have, bro.
Okay,
There's
good.
no more. I don't know where the rest is. Here, I have a spider eye.
Give me.
I have a spider eye.
Give me.
Wait. What is this? I have a cool stuff. There we go. But I don't have.
gonna surprise Gavin. I'm gonna surprise Gavin, guys.
Bro, this is
Guys, he doesn't know. Bro! Bro!
Bro, wait, I'm coming! What?
Oh shoot.
What? Hold on. Oh! Bro, what the hell? Bro, what the
Give me it. Give me it. Can bro, can you
this is...
wait, bro?
Bro, what?
I take two, you take one, okay? I take two, you take one.
Oh my god, bro! Bro, the diamonds! Bro! Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, bro!
I take two, bro. I take two. I take two. I take two.
I think you take two, I take one. I take one. Wait, I take one.
Wait a second. No.
Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap. Wait.
You know what?
We need the iron pickaxe to get it.
Bro, I'll craft. Here. Bro.
We need the iron pickaxe.
You have the iron pickaxe. Yay!
Okay, there we go. There we go. You're the only one.
Now you go back mining there, bro. You go back mining there. I'll call you if I find more. Bro! No way. No way.
No way.
Oh.
No, bro. Why are we so lucky today? Oh my god. Okay, share me diamonds. Give me some diamonds. Give me like two
Bro,
diamonds.
there's more here, bro. There's more too here.
Bro, give me the...
Bro, there's two here, bro. You can have that one.
No, bro, I don't have an iron. Wait, I have!
Bro, go more, go. There.
Bro, this is crazy. We're going. We're going mining, bro. This is crazy, bro. Bro, how are we so lucky? Oh my god. Bro, it's really good. Bro, this cave is so lucky, bro. So crazy, bro. This cave is so lucky. Alright.
Look at me, bro. Look at me.
Bro,
Bro! Bro, don't take my items. Don't take my items.
why are we so low? Why were you so low, bro? Bro, I didn't know you were that low. There. Bro, I
Where's the
Here's your diamond sword. Your diamond sword. There, I gave it. Bro, tell me if we're so low, bro.
bro?
I was gonna click the thing. Bro. What's this? I'm getting so much notifications.
Yo!
What? Yo, what the hell? Yo.
Bruh.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh my god.
Bro. I don't know what's happening anymore. How are we still alive?
Bro, okay, you go dig in that cave, bro. You gotta go dig in that cave. Bro, you go dig in that cave.
This Sunday afternoon. Maraming salamat. Yes, of course, congratulations, Tita Gary, on your successful Australian throw. And to New Zealand day.
Ano na ako.
Do you think we should go back?
Bro, anyways, that's the end of the video. That's the end of the video. Guys, that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe if you like the video. And see you next time. So, bye guys. Peace.